2026. The year when machines have begun to look less like tools and more like titans. Standing under the glowing lights of a climate-controlled luxury showroom, surrounded by mirror-polished marble floors and ambient golden beams washing the walls, there's a singular presence that arrests every gaze. It's not a car, it's not even a traditional military truck. It's something else entirely. This is the Oshkosh LVSR MTR-X, an engineering colossus born from battlefield necessity and sculpted with the vision of the future in mind. At first glance, it doesn't simply look rugged, it radiates a brutal elegance. Finished in matte graphite with subtle reflective armor plating that gleams under the overhead LEDs, the MTR-X is a next-generation combat logistics monster redefined for both power and style. Every inch of this truck screams confidence. It doesn't roll into a space, it claims it. The showroom lighting reveals the textured patterns in its reinforced body panels, each designed for blast deflection and kinetic resistance. This isn't merely built tough, it's built to dominate, to endure, and to adapt. Its height alone is enough to command reverence. The LVSR MTR-X towers over everything around it. Its 8 oversized all-terrain tactical tires, custom-molded, self-repairing, and nitrogen pressurized, stand as tall as a grown man. Each one is wrapped with smart adaptive treads, capable of adjusting their grip based on terrain. Desert, snow, urban rubble. No setting is too extreme. You don't drive this truck. You guide it like a beast that knows no fear. The nose of the MTR-X is a marvel of integrated technology and armor. The bumper is oversized, angular, with internal shock absorption designed for high-impact collisions. Embedded within it are armored fog lamps with thermal vision capabilities. Above that, the grille sits like a fortress gate, thick, layered, and heat-dissipating. The Oshkosh emblem is pressed into the plating like a seal of authority. Mounted to the roof is a modular sensor array, 360-degree LiDAR, high-range radar, infrared, and satellite uplink, a mobile command center in itself. Step alongside the vehicle, and you notice the sheer precision of its design. Hydraulic folding steps blend seamlessly into the side panels, appearing only when summoned. The bodyline doesn't slope, it fortifies. It's armored, but it's artful.